Four families are challenging new rules that Florida lawmakers are trying to put in place to outlaw doctors from providing gender-affirming care to children.
News for Jax reporter Aaron Farrar joins us live this morning. And Aaron, some of those families in the lawsuit are from Duval and St. Johns counties.
And it's all in this 28-page lawsuit right here. The kids represented in this are between 9 and 14 years old. Parents say the new rules are unconstitutional and violates their rights as parents to make health care decisions for their kids. Florida Surgeon General Joseph Ladapo and all the members of the Board of Medicine and the Board of Osteopathic Medicine are all named as defendants in this lawsuit. Under a new rule issued by the state's medical board, children diagnosed with gender dysphoria cannot receive treatment for the condition unless they were receiving that care before the change took effect last week. Gender dysphoria is considered when someone feels significant distress when the sex or gender at birth is not what they consider their identity. Parents argue the treatment restrictions are in contrast to research that supports children diagnosed with gender dysphoria. The parents in the lawsuit say that same research shows those kids have higher rates of depression and suicidal thoughts. The new rules were debated during a long meeting this week, which had some mixed reviews.
LGBTQ youth are 4 times more likely to attempt suicide than their peers. Attacking our trans youth, especially youth of color, is endangering lives.
We believe that protecting children is a strong priority. It should be for any government, any state at the federal level. Protecting children should be at the forefront. And this is what this does, because these treatments are experimental, they are dangerous, they have a lot of long-term side effects, as we have seen.
The proposed bill would expand limitations on transgender healthcare access by prohibiting telehealth appointments for transgender adults and gives only doctors, not nurse practitioners, the ability to write prescriptions for adults' hormone replacement treatment. The proposal will also prevent health insurance companies from covering gender assignment surgeries. Lawyers representing the families in this lawsuit say they plan to seek a preliminary injunction to block the rules from being enforced while the litigation process plays out. This is all coming after the Georgia Senate advanced a bill to the Georgia House that would ban most gender-affirming surgeries and hormone replacement therapies for people under 18 as well. In that proposal, it would still allow doctors to prescribe medicines to block puberty.